Hi, hello and welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make grape biryani. Let's wash it properly. Then add some turmeric powder and wash it again. Add some salt. Add some Kashmiri chili powder. Add some black pepper powder. Add some coriander powder. Then add some garam masala. Then add some biryani masala. Also add some curd. Two, three green chili. Then mix it well. Then keep it for 1 or 2 hours and also add some lemon juice. Okay, add some olive oil and curry leaves and the spices. Add some onion. Then add some salt. Add some ginger garlic paste. Then mix it well. Add some tomato. Also I add some capsicum. If you like, you can add. Also add some coriander and mint leaf. Now we can add the grape. So add some ghee. Now let's make the rice. We need the basmati rice and let's wash the rice and add some spices, also some bay leaves, also add some ghee. Also we need to fry some onion. Okay, let's make the salad. We are frying papadam also. See, the crab is well cooked. So the rice also cooked. Now we have to make the dum. So we will put 2-layer rice and the crab. See, put the fried onion top of it, and you can add the layer, the cooked crab, and keep it for 10 or 15 minutes for dum. See, the crab biryani is ready. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button so you will get my video update notification.